Okay, I want to run you through optimizing your LinkedIn profile. I will put the link to this document on there because it's got a link to my LinkedIn so you can see how it gets laid out. In fact, we'll open that anyway. So as you can see, mine's main one at the moment, Cybix, because that was what we're doing the lead gen for. As you can see, fair few connections on there. Hello, my name's Daniel Spence and I run Automation X, which is an automation agency that builds really cool automations and lead generation. Yeah, so very clear company name. Obviously, I've got two. Implementing AI and automation into your business. Nice, clear, concise. We've then got this section. So the about section is pretty much the extent that they go into. So it's very clear what we do, results, and kind of just going through it. I'll break that down, but just so you get a bit of a feel. I like to have a nice picture post that's pinned on here. I've done an automation one as well. I've done sharing some posts, the podcasts that I went on, and then obviously the normal job role stuff. If you can get some recommendations, do it. But to be honest with you, most people don't make it down this far. They have a look at this. Make sure you've got a nice logoed up background, or it's saying something about what you do. A nice profile picture that is somewhat professional. Admittedly, mine that was actually a photo of me on my 18th birthday. It was, in fact, I don't think I've had a nice photo since then. But never mind. So yeah, just very clear. Let me run through on this document. So we have got position yourself as an expert in the space. That's hence the implementing AI and automation into your business. It's very clear cut. This is what we do. So then any previous case studies and so on. To be fair, I should probably add some of those in. So that would be the equivalent of these pin posts down here. But make sure you're kind of like really honing in on kind of case studies, proof of value, kind of the more content that you can post, and this is coming from someone who's made like 6 figures off the back of TikTok, is to put yourself as an expert. That's all I'm doing on TikTok, is basically saying like, look, I'm an expert at what I do. This is what I do on a day-to-day basis. This is why you can trust me. Pretty much it. No, it's no fancy nonsense off the back of that. Banner high quality, so something like that is fine. To be fair, it probably could be better. Some people put text in so that it's just like quite unclear what it is actually what you do. So in an ideal world, it would mention the outcome of what you're helping your clients achieve. So mine's automated growth. However, it probably should be another line under that with a bit more detail. The reason it's not is because we want to be a bit more vague on what it is that we're offering out at the minute, and go from there. Follow me for loads more tips. We've then got a profile picture. So like I said, clear headshot, no selfies, no drunken pictures, no high school photos or anything like that. Just very nice and clear, exactly what it is that you do. Headlines, so state your offering in one line. So that's the implement AI and automation into your business. Include any case study, social proof, I've skipped ahead there. Featured section, so that's this section here. So the pin stuff there, all of those have got a call to action at the end of it. Talk about what it is that we do. Any case study, social proof, that's the main one. To be fair, I need to update mine to do that. So if you click on it and I haven't done it, remind me. So the about section, see page 2 for proven strategy. Okay, we'll get that in a minute. But you get the kind of the feel of it. I'm using these little emojis just to break it up. It wants to be nice, short, clear outcomes, what it is that you do, how many people you've helped, and so on off the back of it. Interests, relevant topics to your industry. So mine's all AI related. Probably the same goes for you. And then some pin posts with images and stuff that you can use. Other little gems, having previous roles with the tick emoji at the beginning. Let's see if I've done that. Yeah, so it's like a nice breakdown of what it is that we actually do. Link, same for this one, same for this one. So it's nice and clear, just like tick done. If you see any friends that can give you recommendations, or even just asking in the community and kind of get people to do it. If not, just ask me and I can do it for you. Add your company logo to the main pin. So when you set up a company profile on here, make sure that you attach the logo. Oh, I need to put the banner on here as well. Goodness me. Put that on there so everything's on there, nice and clear. The main reason you do that so that when you're actually on the profile page, it comes up here. Otherwise, it doesn't. So you just need to set that up properly. Okay, what else have I got? In the description, say what you do and how you help in 10 words or less. So if you look on here, it's automating businesses so they're more efficient, implementing AI into the organization. Boom, very simple, nice, clear. This is the structure for the about section. So I mentioned that earlier, but a very nice, clear one-liner, what it is that you do. Imagine this is your hook on a video or hook on an email or whatever. This is your chance to really get in there and then like get yourself deep into their thoughts so that they carry on reading the rest of it. The guarantee, really important, what it is that you're going to do, what the outcome is, and then a couple of outcomes. So we've helped or we've achieved so and so for this niche. They're now like basically make your way through this, and you can use your brain to apply it to what you're going to help. So you can say we've helped 20 accountants automate their processes. Follow me for loads more tips. We've helped 55 businesses in Bradford do X, Y, and Z. When you're starting off, and if this is your first time doing it, I'm not telling you to lie, but if you can borrow some of our stats and stuff like that, then go for it. If you want any, just drop me a message and I'll sort them out for you. But yeah, just kind of like go through there and show that you're an expert in the space and you've got some credibility behind you. So the next one, I'm implementing sharing the exact system used to. So this is basically saying like, I can help you build automations that do outcome, outcome, outcome. So that'll be like book clients, save 30 hours a week, like whatever it is that you want to do on there. And then as a bonus, the systems used to other outcomes. So you basically, instead of doing 6 outcomes, you're just splitting it up a bit. And then some of your past clients and their results. So really powerful bit to add in there. As you can see on ours, we've kind of done that, but kind of not. I think we've just sat with the two sections. So our automations have, as a bonus, these automations helped. So this is more about what, and this is about who, as a result of that. And then guarantee again, I would phrase it in a slightly different way to the first guarantee. And then to see if your business is eligible, please use the calendar link below. Goodness me, I've not got that either. But yeah, that's kind of the process as a whole, to kind of dive through. And then when you're DMing people, they're going to come onto your profile. Chances are they'll just reply in your chat, but if not, they can just click on here and book in with you. But yeah, that's a 1,000-foot overview of what you need to be doing on your LinkedIn profile. This will make a big difference. This kind of layout has been used by lots and lots of people, and works extremely well. So yeah, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.